Alright class, today we're going to delve into the fascinating world of computers. As you can see here, computers are made up of several components, each with its own unique function. First up, we have the Central Processing Unit, or CPU. Just like our brains help us think and remember, the CPU is the brain of the computer. It's responsible for processing information and making decisions.
It's like the command center of the computer.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about memory. There are two main types, RAM and storage. RAM helps the computer perform tasks quickly, like opening programs or websites, while storage is where the computer stores all its data, like pictures and documents. Moving on, we have the motherboard, which acts as the backbone of the computer. It connects all the components together and allows them to communicate with each other.
It's like the central hub where everything connects.
Exactly. Now, let's not forget about power supply and cooling. Just like we need food to stay energized, computers need power to function. The power supply unit provides the necessary energy, while the fan helps keep the system cool. And finally, we have input and output devices. Input devices, like keyboards and mice, allow us to interact with the computer, while output devices, like monitors and printers, display information or produce output.
Input devices are like the computer's senses, while output devices are like its voice.
Exactly. Understanding these components helps us appreciate how computers work as a cohesive system. Now, let's talk about the language of computers. Computers communicate using binary code, which consists of bits and bytes. Bits are like tiny switches that can be either on or off, representing yes or no, while bytes are groups of 8 bits that form the building blocks of information.
It's like a secret code that computers use to communicate.
Precisely. Understanding binary code helps us grasp how computers process and store information efficiently. Now, let's explore common input devices, such as keyboards, mice, touchscreens, microphones, and cameras. These devices enable users to input data or commands into the computer.
Input devices allow us to interact with the computer in different ways.
Exactly. Whether it's typing on a keyboard, clicking with a mouse, or speaking into a microphone, input devices provide various means of communication with the computer. Next, we have output devices, such as monitors, printers, speakers, and headphones. These devices convey information or output from the computer to the user through visual or auditory means.
Output devices allow the computer to communicate back to us.
Precisely. Whether it's displaying visuals on a monitor, printing documents with a printer, or producing sound with speakers, output devices provide feedback or output from the computer. Lastly, let's discuss processing devices, such as the CPU and GPU.
Processing devices are like the powerhouse of the computer.
Exactly. The CPU and GPU work together to ensure smooth operation and efficient performance of the computer. And finally, we have storage devices, such as HDDs, SSDs, USB flash drives, memory cards, and cloud storage. These devices store data and information for the computer, providing long-term memory and storage capabilities.
Storage devices are like the memory banks of the computer.
Precisely. Whether it's storing files on a hard disk drive, accessing data from a solid-state drive, or backing up files to cloud storage, storage devices play a crucial role in preserving and accessing information.